Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove shortcuts in ExpressVPN. Now once you connect to ExpressVPN like I am, you will see that you have some websites here showing up, right? And these are website shortcuts. You can add or remove them. Now it's easy to remove them if you want. Just simply click the burger menu on the upper left hand side, go to options, and here you'll have a bunch of options here. You want to click on shortcuts, and here, and if you want to remove anyone, just simply go ahead and click on the one that you want to remove. So let's say I would like to remove this Wikipedia. Click on that, then click on the minus sign, and it's removed. And if I click on OK, you will see that it's now removed. And you can add a shortcut by simply clicking it from here. You will have the plus. You can click on that and it will open up for you. Or you can click from the left hand side burger menu, go to options, ensure that you select on shortcuts, and you can add by simply clicking the plus button, add an app or a website. And let's say I would like to add, let's say, fcbarcelona.com, right? fcbarcelona.com, right? Click on add shortcut. It's gonna detect it, as you can see. Click on OK, and now it's added. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add or remove website shortcuts in ExpressVPN.